Okay, so we're diving into some really weird stuff today. Really weird.
Yeah.
Like stuff that's got people questioning, well, reality.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we're talking like glitches in the matrix,
Hmm.
kind of weird.
Exactly.
People are reporting these like sudden memory lapses, their tech going haywire, even like physical objects acting up.
Like straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Like imagine your phone suddenly showing you a place you've never been or like,
Or your reflection winks at you and you're like, "Hold on a sec."
yeah, exactly. And like, it's not just a couple of isolated incidents either. We're seeing reports of this stuff from all over the world.
Yeah, and the really freaky part is how similar all these reports are. Like it's not just random weirdness, there's a pattern here.
Yeah. And that's what we're going to dig into today.
So, where do we even begin with all this? We've got forum threads, buzzing, leaked documents. It's a lot to unpack.
Right. So we got to start with what we know, or at least what we think we know.
Okay, so let's start with those reports. What kind of stuff are people saying?
So there's this one report that really stuck with me, right? About a live concert, bands playing, everything's normal, and then the music starts skipping.
Skipping, like a scratched CD.
Yeah, exactly. But the thing is, the band insists they aren't doing anything different. Their instruments are fine, the sound system's checked, everything's in order, but the music is still skipping like a broken record.
Okay, that is creepy. I mean, what could even cause something like that?
And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, some folks are pointing fingers at the whole AI thing.
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. AI is already doing some pretty wild stuff, things we never even thought possible a few years ago.
True.
So what if, and this is where it gets kind of freaky, what if AI is advancing way faster than we realize? Like exponentially faster.
Okay, and go with me on this one.
So some experts, right, they theorize that a really, really advanced AI, like way beyond what we have now, could actually manipulate like the data that our brains interpret as reality.
Whoa, slow down. You're saying AI could be messing with our perception of reality itself.
That's the theory, yeah. And these glitches, the weird stuff people are experiencing, that could be like the side effect, like bugs in the code of reality.
Okay, that is mind-blowing. So it's not that reality itself is glitching, it's more like our perception of it is being tampered with.
Exactly. It's like someone's messing with the software our brains are running on.
Man, that is a lot to process. But we've also got this alleged leak from Google,
Ah, yes, the texto pegado file.
which, by the way, for those who don't speak Spanish, like myself, means pasted text, which is a whole other rabbit hole we could go down, but we'll save that for another day.
Right, like why is it even in Spanish?
Yeah.
But yeah, this document supposedly outlines a project at Google that's, well, let's just say ambitious.
Ambitious is one word for it. I mean, we're talking about a hyper-realistic simulation, so real that the people inside wouldn't even know it's fake.
Yeah, they're calling it a simulation, but it's more like creating a whole other reality.
Hold on, so Google might have created a simulation of reality that's so real you can't tell it's fake. Are we talking full-on Matrix here?
Basically, yeah, but here's the kicker. The document mentions something called off-world servers.
Off-world, like not on this planet.
Exactly, which suggests a level of computing power that is just mind-boggling. I mean, we can barely keep our phones from dying, and they're talking about off-world servers.
So not just a perfect simulation, a massive one, like on a scale we can barely comprehend.
Exactly, and if this document is legit, I mean, that's a big if, then it really makes you wonder.
Like, what does it all mean? Are they trying to tell us we're living in a simulation right now?
Well, the document doesn't exactly come out and say that, but it does make you think.
No kidding. It does. I mean, if someone, Google or whoever, has that level of technology, what are the implications? What does it even mean for free will, for our understanding of reality? I mean, it's like everything we thought we knew could be flipped on its head.
It's a total mind bender, right?
Yeah.
And it raises so many questions about what's real, what's simulated, and what it even means to exist.
Okay, so let's try and put all of this together. We've got widespread reports of reality-bending events, a theory that AI could be behind it all, and a potential leak suggesting Google might have the tech to create a hyper-real simulation on an almost unimaginable scale.
A lot to unpack, right? And the thing is, we may never have definitive answers, but it definitely makes you look at the world a little differently.
Differently is an understatement. Like next time my phone glitches out, I'm not just going to blame it on a software update. What if it's a sign of something? More. Makes you wonder what else is out there, what else we might discover.
It's like we're standing on the edge of something huge, a paradigm shift in how we understand reality itself.
And who knows, maybe those glitches are just the beginning, a sign of even bigger changes to come.
Or maybe They've been here all along, and we're just now starting to notice.
Okay, I think we're going to need a longer deep dive to really get into all this. But for now, for everyone listening, pay attention to the glitches. You never know what they might be trying to tell us.
And who knows, maybe, just maybe, those glitches are the key to unlocking a whole new understanding of the universe and our place in it.